All right, let's look at the back. Explain how you solved 4 10,000s, 3 10s divided by 10. Use a place value chart to support your explanation. That simply is just like on the front here when you were showing how you were doing this with division. That's all you need to do. So draw your place value chart. Show where you started with the dots. Show where you ended with the dots. You can do it. Let's look at this word problem. So now they're just taking the exact same thing you've done before, but making a word problem out of it. Jacob saved $2,000 bills, $400 bills, and 6 $10 bills to buy a car. Ooh, that's a lot of money. The car costs 10 times as much as he has saved. How much does the car cost? Okay, let's see. Let's just pull out the numbers. 2,000, 400, 6 10s, and we're doing 10 times as much. So I'm going to pull those numbers down. 2,000s, 400s, 6 10s. I'm going to put it in parentheses. And we want to find 10 times as much as that. So basically we need to take all these numbers and we need to move them up one place in the place value chart. So 2,000s is now going to become 2 10,000s because that is one up in the place value chart. It's 10 times as many. 400s is going to become 4,000s because that is 10 times as many as hundreds. 10s, 10 times as many as 10s is hundreds. It's going to be 600s. So now I have 2 10,000s, 4,000s, and 600s. Let me write that as a number and in a number sentence, a word sentence. The car costs 2 10,000s, 4,000s, 600s, and we don't have any 10s or 1s. That's a lot of money. And because it's money, I'm going to put a dollar sign. I want you to try this one on your own. I'm going to give you a hint. You need to look at these numbers. 45,000 and 900. I'm going to give you another hint. I'm going to write 45,000. 45,000 is made up of 4 10,000s and 5 thousands. So really, you're trying to find 10 times as many. You have 4 10,000s, 5 thousands, and 900s. And you're trying to find 10 times as many as that. And that was a mistake because I did not read the problem carefully. Again, Mrs. Silverglatt made a mistake. It says, this is 10 times as many as the apples last year. How many apples did the orchard produce last year? So this is actually already 10 times as many. We want to find it the other way. So you're going to be dividing by 10. So instead of going up, you're going to go down. I apologize. Again, Mrs. Silverglatt made another mistake because she wasn't paying attention to what she was doing. It happens to everyone. On this one, I also want you to try your best. It might help to use a place value chart on it and put the place value chart with our millions, our 100,000s, our 10,000s, our thousands, our hundreds, our tens, our ones. Planet Ruba has a population of 1 million aliens. That's Planet Ruba. Planet Zamba has 100,000 aliens. That's Zamba. Figure out how many more aliens does Planet Ruba have than Planet Zamba and write a sentence to compare the populations for each planet using the words 10 times as many. Try your best on this. I hope this video helped, even though Mrs. Silverglatt kept making all those mistakes. And I will see you on Monday when you have mastered this. Have a good weekend.